industrial technology department is focused on several research activities. The first research activities is 3D printing. We can call additive manufacturing, injection molding, and also material science. In the first field, we focus on different technologies like SLM, selective laser melting, FDM, fused filament fabrication, and also for SLA. In there, we focus on different materials, and also for technology FDM, we try to develop new materials which will be possible to use in future. For example, this one, it's some nature waste, which is called, for example, coconut, and we can put into PLA materials and we can create new materials. For example, this one, it's sugar beets. It's also waste which we can use for our purpose. The last one, which I would like to show you, it's straw, and also it's the waste which we can use for 3D printing. Also, we try to focus on lattice structures, which are very important for 3D printing and which is very used for future for some special application. On the last field, which are focused on ceramic materials, we try to develop new photopolymeric materials for this process.
Laboratory of Rapid Prototyping and Processes focuses on metal 3D printing, and we are mainly developing two areas. And the first one is developing of a new set of parameters for powder materials. That means if the producer has some kind of new material, let's say steel or titanium, we can develop a set of parameters to process the material on this machine. Second of all, we are focusing on topology optimization, which uses the least amount of material to fulfill the needs of the part. In here I have an example in the form of a bicycle stem, and as you can see, this can be done using other technologies such as milling and other. And this can only be done using metal 3D printing. We are also focusing on developing of structures, which means that you can define a single unit and copy it throughout the whole volume, and thus reducing the inner core of the part and maintaining its functionality.